Good morning. Welcome to Moves Like Jaguar on a frosty February morning. Now, a lot of you regulars will know that I drive this 2004 4.2 XJ Sovereign. And while on my way to work yesterday, I was driving along and all of a sudden I looked down and look what I saw.
No! No! No!
Seeing as it's a winter morning and the cold is notorious for killing batteries, that's the first thing I'm going to check. So let's go and check the battery voltage. Just below 12 volts. I'd expect at least 12.3 to 12.5. So I'm not happy with that battery's voltage, so I think I'm going to replace it. Lucky for me, I know the perfect place for Jaguar parts, so let's go and buy a battery. I have nothing on now, so that's a good sign. Let's hope it's just the battery. So here we are at S&G Barrett. Why am I assuming it's the battery, I hear you ask? Well, when I was driving my car I had both front and rear screens on, which draw a hell of a lot from the battery. I've already had my gearbox serviced by Chris R, the Jaguar Specialist in Doncaster, linked to his video below, so I know that's in perfect condition. The Jaguar XJs are very well known for if they have any problems with the battery voltage getting low, they throw up a whole multitude of faults on the dashboard, so that's going to be my first port of call. So the battery located under here. Only thing with this little handle here, it will actually clip over the back of the rubbers and keep it up. Absolutely perfect. Take a 10mm spanner and always undo the negative terminal first. This one with a minus sign, usually got a black lead. Take that one off first and then the positive, the red one. Also a 10mm right here holding the battery clamp on. And also one right down here holding the other end on, which you'll need a long extension on the socket. Finally a third little clamp at the base at the back here. And these two handles lifted straight out. And it's just the reverse process for putting the battery back in. positive lead. It'd be a good idea to coat these terminals with a bit of grease just to stop them corroding. And finally the negative terminal. And without even charging this battery, you'll see what voltage it's holding straight away. A lot better. So now the battery's fitted, you'll have to do two things. First of all will be the radio code. So we enter our radio code. Look away please. Thank you. And enter your 4-digit code. Next will be your window reset. As you know, these will be a touch. It's one touch down. Squeaky. But the one touch up does not work. So the trick is to wind down your windows all the way for hold down for a couple of seconds, release. Same with the rears. Hold for a couple of seconds, release. Press and lift till they get to the top, hold for a couple of seconds, release. Same with the fronts. Release. Now you should find, a bit of luck, the one touch down and one touch up. That's how you reset the windows. Also appears I have to reset the handbrake, so it's telling me to apply the park brake, so I'll put my foot on the brake and click up. And you find that's reset the park brake. And there you are, all done. Hope you found that useful. Give this video a thumbs up below if you like it, and I'll see you on the next video.